If you're looking to get ahead with your career, User Resume AI might just be the best tool you've never heard of. In today's review, we're diving into 7 crucial things you need to know about this newly released software. Whether you're actively job hunting or just looking to optimize your resume, stick with me because you'll want to know what makes this software stand out. Let's start with the basics. User Resume AI is a smart tool designed to help you create the perfect resume, tailored specifically to your career goals. It's new, but it's already getting attention for its ability to fine-tune your resume in a way that most resume builders just can't match. What sets it apart? The AI technology behind it adapts your resume based on the job you're applying for, using job-specific keywords and industry standards to ensure you're not overlooked. Now, one of the biggest concerns with resume building software is that it tends to feel generic. Not with User Resume AI. The first thing you'll notice is how personalized this tool is. You input your experience, and the AI starts working to refine and optimize it in a way that makes it seem like you've had a professional resume writer on your side, without the high price tag. Another feature that stands out is its seamless integration with job boards and LinkedIn. You don't need to manually copy and paste your resume into these platforms anymore. User Resume AI lets you directly upload or integrate your newly crafted resume into major platforms, saving you time and ensuring consistency. Speaking of time saving, one of the most impressive aspects is how quickly it works. Within minutes, it generates a fully optimized resume that's not just well formatted, but ready to attract employers. It's fast, efficient, and gets results, without the long back and forth you might expect from other tools. But it's not just about the resume. User Resume AI also offers a cover letter generator that matches the tone and format of your resume. This saves you even more time and ensures that your application looks cohesive from start to finish. And let's not forget the job-specific tailoring. It makes sure your skills and experiences align with the job description, boosting your chances of landing that interview. Now, while it's already impressive, the software isn't perfect. One limitation is that the AI still requires some input from you to make sure your personal touch is included. While it's amazing at optimization, you'll want to give it that final polish, especially if you want to ensure your personality comes through. But that leads me to my next point: customization. You can adjust the tone and structure of your resume, making it suitable for any industry or job level. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting, User Resume AI can adapt to your needs. And here's the best part. You can try the software for free through the link below, no strings attached. Get a feel for how it works and see how much time it can save you in crafting a resume that actually works. Before we wrap up, I want to remind you that after trying thousands of AI tools, I found that these AI software solutions consistently bring value. If you're serious about boosting your career, you'll want to check out the links in the description for more top-rated software to help you succeed. So, to sum it all up, User Resume AI is a powerful, easy-to-use tool that tailors your resume to job listings, integrates with job boards, and saves you hours in the process. If you're looking to improve your chances in the job market, this is one tool you don't want to miss. Check out the link below to get started, completely free.